Hello guys, Action Gaming here. So we're here again at our session, our ads hunting. So I'll call this ads hunting. So for today's featured game, we're gonna hunt the odds of Detroit Pistons versus the Boston Celtics. So let's go. So before we proceed, let's check our record. So we have 11 wins and 3 losses. So we won again. So we break the losing streak earlier today. So we won Lakers -6. So that's a good game. So we won there easily. So let's go to the game. So Celtics game info. Celtics 9-8, number 10th on the East, while the Pistons has 15-2 record, 15 wins, 2 loss. It's first on the East. So the game will happen Wednesday, November 26, 2025 at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, which is November 27, 2025 at 6 a.m. in Manila. So it will be the home court of the Boston Celtics, TD Garden in Boston, Massachusetts. Sorry. So let's go with the spread. So Boston +3, Piston -3, over and under 228.5. So our final pick is Piston -3. So why Piston -3? Let's try to start here in the health and availability of the Boston. So for the Boston, Nimias Keta out. So he's the center of the Boston right now. He's the starting center and he's out. That's one of the reason why I picked the Piston, because he's the center, starting center. Then Jason Tatum out. Maybe he's out for the season. So for the Piston, Bobby Clintman out and Marcus Sasser out. So I don't know them. So maybe it's not a big deal. So for me, in the health and availability, the Piston has the advantage. Now let's go to the helpful pack. So 8 wins for the Celtics in the last 10 head-to-head matchup. So next, Detroit Pistons have won 13 on the spin, triumphing 122-117 in their previous game. This was on the road against the Indiana Pacers at Gainbridge Fieldhouse. So still one of the reason why I picked the Detroit Pistons is because they are here to break the all-time streak record of their franchise. So last year they got the worst, they break the worst losing record. Now they have a chance to break their winning record. So that's why I think for me they are more motivated to win this game to break the record. So next, Boston Celtics were winners last time out. It was 138-129 home victory against the Orlando Magic. So both of them has their momentum, but still for me Detroit has the edge. So even though the Celtics also have his momentum at home, I think still with the little bit of odds -3, so that's not so expensive, -3. So I'm still choosing the number 1 team on the East. So the Pistons have beaten the Celtics in their last 2 meetings, winning by 117-97 and 119-113 scoreline. Both matchup were played at Little Caesar Arena. So 2-0 for the season right now for the Piston, and I think it's gonna be 3-0 tomorrow. I'm very confident of that. So the Piston win the rebound battle because of this. The Piston win the rebound battle by an average of 4 boards. They are collecting 45.9 rebounds per game, 7th in the league compared to their opponents 41.9 per outing. So they limit their opponents on rebounds by 4. How much more when their opponent has their starting center out? So this could be large. So this could be huge. So I think that's one of the reason why I picked the Piston. So that's all. Thank you. So for me, Piston -3. If you're gonna bet, please bet in moderation. Okay, guys, that's all. Thank you. I'm out.